Welcome to Part 4 of the Python Beginner course. So far, you have learned the basics of Python, how Python stores data, and how Python makes decisions and repeats actions. Now we are moving to something very important. This is the part where Python starts to feel like real programming. In this video, you will learn functions and collections. Let's start with functions. A function is a block of code that does one specific job. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we put it inside a function. Functions make programs clean, easy to read, and easy to fix. Think about a washing machine. You press one button, and many actions happen inside. That button is like a function. You do not need to know what happens inside. You just use it. In Python, we create a function using the keyword def. We give the function a name and write the code inside it. But remember, a function does nothing until it is called. Calling a function tells Python to run the code. Functions become more powerful when we give them data. Parameters allow us to send values into a function. This means one function can work with different values. This saves a lot of code. Functions can also send data back. This is done using the return keyword. Return gives us a result that we can store or use later. Without return, functions only perform actions. With return, functions become very powerful. Now let's talk about collections. A collection stores many values inside one variable. Instead of creating many variables, we use collections. A list stores multiple values in order. Lists are changeable. You can add or remove items. Lists are one of the most used data types in Python. Each item in a list has an index. Indexes start from 0. Lists work perfectly with loops. A loop can go through each item one by one. This is very common in real programs. Tuples look like lists, but they cannot be changed. Once created, their values stay the same. Tuples are useful when data should not be modified. Dictionaries store data in key and value pairs. Just like a real dictionary, you look up a word to find its meaning. In Python, you use keys to get values. Dictionaries are very powerful and used in real applications. Now imagine this. You have a function. Inside it, you use a list. You loop through the list. This combination is how real Python programs are built. Functions plus collections are the core of Python coding. When learning functions and collections, mistakes will happen. Wrong indentation, forgetting to return values, using wrong brackets. This is normal. The best way to learn this part is by practice. Change values, add more items, break the code and fix it. This is how you learn. In this video, you learned what functions are, why functions are useful, parameters and return values, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. You are now writing real Python code. In this video, you learned the core building blocks of Python. You learned how functions organize code, why they make programs powerful and reusable, how parameters and return values work, and how Python handles real data using lists, tuples, and dictionaries. These concepts form the foundation of Python programming. With this knowledge, you can now read Python code with confidence, understand how real programs are structured, and continue learning without confusion. This completes the Python Fundamentals series. From here, you are ready to move forward into more advanced Python topics, including automation, data handling, APIs, and real-world applications. If this video helped you, please give it a like to support the channel. And if you want to continue learning Python step by step, subscribe and stay with the channel for future advanced series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next learning journey.